Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about a book which has been really close to my heart. It has provided me with a very valuable guidance. It has helped me escape many regrets in my life. It made me realize the importance of letting few things go, things that are not in our hand, and not to have regrets about it. Hopefully, this book will also help you in escaping regrets as well. So stay till the end.
That's make it hurt.
The book that we are going to discuss today is The Midnight Library by Matt Haig. So this book starts with a young woman about to make a very terrible decision. She lost her job, her brother, her best friend, her relationships are in shambles, and her cat just died. Most importantly, she is just deeply, seemingly irretrievably sad, and she just cannot think of a day which is better with her in it. She just wants to die. Living has become nothing but a chore to her. So she ends it. But to her surprise, she finds herself in a dingy library which is referred to as the Midnight Library in this book. This is the place where people end up after death if they don't know where they wanted to go in life. So it is at this place that the protagonist finds herself precariously hanging between life and death. In the Midnight Library, Nora, the protagonist, has the opportunity to live different lives that she could have lived if she had made different choices. Whether for a short period of time or long duration, she is allowed to experience these alternate lives and work towards overcoming her regrets and finally finding a sense of contentment in her own life. However, deciding whether a life can be judged based on few moments after midnight on a Tuesday proves to be difficult. The novel explores many world theory, the psychological effect of all those lives on Nora and her willingness to live. The novel is a streamlined and charming way of introducing readers to speculative fiction. It is also the celebration of the ordinary and the infinity of worlds seated in ordinary choices. The novel is written in a very beautiful and engaging prose that captures the reader's attention from the first page. The characters are well developed, and the author's way of describing all the lives that Nora lives is very vivid and imaginative. Overall, The Midnight Library is a very captivating and moving novel that resonates with readers who've ever questioned their life choices or wondered what could have been. It offers a message of hope and resilience that is much needed in these difficult times. I highly recommend this book to readers who enjoy thought-provoking books and emotionally resonant fiction. For more book reviews like this, please like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.